Did you know two con men once fooled Tiffany and Company with a bag of fake diamonds? In 1872, Philip Arnold and John Slack walked into a San Francisco bank carrying rough diamonds they claimed came from federal land. Investors went wild. Tiffany publicly declared the gems genuine. A team of experts connected to the Rothschild banking family personally visited the site and called it the richest gem deposit in history. But Arnold had simply bought cheap diamonds in Amsterdam and scattered them across a Wyoming mesa by hand. The scheme unraveled because of one man. Geologist Clarence King noticed something nature never does. Every variety of gem was present in almost equal amounts, spread too perfectly across the ground. No real diamond field looks like that. King rode through a winter blizzard to warn investors before the company officially launched. He was too late for the money. Arnold had already collected $550,000 in cash and vanished. Tiffany never publicly addressed their mistake again. Please like, share and follow The Mysterious Banker for more interesting stories.